morning, everyone. Welcome, parents, teachers, guests, and my fellow classmates. I am happy to see all of you here today. Welcome to our kindergarten graduation day. To our teachers, thank you for your guidance and patience that help us learn and grow every day. We have learned so much because of you. To our parents, thank you for the support you have given us. To my parents, Daddy Philip and Mami Joybel, thank you for the love and being my vision to fulfill my journey as a student. Thank you for noticing my effort every single day. To my fellow classmates, thank you for all the good memories we have created this year. All the best to the new journey we will take as we get ready to go to first grade. Before I end my speech, allow me to share a Bible verse. Psalm 119, verse 105. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. Congratulations! We did an amazing job this year. I am so proud of everyone. Thank you and have a nice day.